What's up guys, it's Sean from Window Tint Warriors. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been extremely busy. We're gonna do a day in the life today and we're gonna start season 2. All right, to start it off today, we're actually doing Cryptic Chameleon on the windshield of this F-150. Jose's over there putting 5% on all sides and rear. If you guys wanna know where to get Cryptic Chameleon, it's on windowtintsupplies.com. We're the only ones who sell this style. So let's get to it. Of course, I've got my handy dash towel, soak shield, the brand new 2021 F-150. They got like the iPad screen in here. It's pretty cool. This might look like a scrubber, but it's actually a paddle without the, it's actually a scrubber, it's actually a paddle, which is a scrubber without the Velcro pad. So it's just a scrubber without the Velcro, but we sell these on windowtintsupplies.com. A lot easier to use than any other tool, really. I just took the stickers off, so get that adhesive off. For the rest of the window, since it is a brand new truck, I'm not going to razor blade it. We have this blue scrub it from Tri-Edge, which we sell on Window Tint Supplies now. We have all the Tri-Edge products. This thing is awesome because you can kind of fit it on your hand, Velcro it on. The only thing I really don't like about this is the Velcro sometimes catches the towel when you get too close to the towel. But aside from that, it's really effective at cleaning the glass without using a razor blade and potentially scratching the window. The blue pad is more aggressive and meant for excessive glue removal. But I like to use it on every prep because obviously the more aggressive you are, the more you're gonna clean the window. Aside from this, what did you guys think about Tint'er Battles 2021? Now that that's over, in the past, season 1, but it's kind of still in the present because it recently just passed. We're definitely planning on having another one next year and every year after that, so it's gonna be the new thing within the window tinting business. Next year, Jose's gonna compete and destroy all you guys. I actually have 2 Teslas coming down today, which I'm gonna do myself, and all the other cars Jose is gonna do. We have that Black Widow, the red Black Widow behind me, getting full body Expel paint protection film, ceramic coating. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Lovely Expel patterns, telling me how big the window is. And check this clip out. These things are awesome. When you have the film on a rack or however you keep your film, and you put this little plastic clip on it, it's better than tape, it doesn't leave residue, and it's not high enough in tension to leave an imprint on the film. windowtintsupplies.com. Not to sell you guys on everything, but I use some pretty cool tools. So we're gonna roll out 68 inches. Cryptic Chameleon only comes in a 60-inch roll, so anytime I do a windshield, I just use the whole piece and just toss the scraps because you'll end up collecting a lot of scraps. Before I lay this on, I'd use the 1/4-inch white vinyl tape. Similar, but better than Glass Aid. I think Window Tint Supplies is the only one that has this in stock. Very nice. I got a little quiz for you guys. What's one thing I haven't said yet in this video that I used to say way too much in my previous videos? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Carlos. Me and Carlos are cool now because I beat him and he begged me to be his friend. I'm not gonna go any further with that. Cool. We got 20 minutes before the next car gets here, and I just gotta do this windshield in that time because I gotta pull that car in and get started on it. Because I have another car coming after that that's getting, it's a full Tesla Model 3, back to back, Chameleon windshields, all sides and rear, and the taillights. So, coffee. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, chili with my homies. Little installer tip here since you guys are watching the day in the life of a window tinter. If you have a self-healing or cutting mat on your table that you're cutting the film on, over the course of time when you start to crisscross a lot of cuts from previous patterns, you'll start breaking up that white material that's on that cutting table over there. So you'll get these specks all over the place. So now if you guys start to get that, obviously you want to replace your mats or turning them around so you're using the other side instead of the side that you're using right now so that you can start cutting on a fresh area. If you ever go into the issue of, like I'm having right now, there's literally the white specks on top and underneath, so you're seeing the texture through the film. All you have to do is after you shrink, obviously use a felt card to shrink so you don't put that imprint into the film with the hard card. Just flush out underneath the film, between the film and the glass, and squeegee it out, and that'll get rid of all that contamination potentially. It's funny because I said when I do Chameleon I like to leave extra on the top, and I cut the top off But this isn't too much of a curved windshield, so I don't need that extra material to pull. It'll shrink up really nice there. So the other day I was doing a Kia Stinger. I tinted it. Yeah, how fast did I tint that Kia Stinger the other day? I'll take it. 38 minutes, panels popped and everything. So with this chameleon material, if you guys ever purchase it and go to install it, you gotta heat it evenly and slowly. You can't force it like you do with regular tint because it's obviously a different construction. So you're gonna heat a good amount, shrink a decent amount side to side, just allow it to flow. You don't wanna get solid finger points that you have to shrink because then you're gonna trap all the tension. Just a little tip there. Heat the whole area, side to side. If you ever get a trapped finger like this, you wanna lift it up very lightly and allow the air to flow underneath it. You don't want to trap that tension in one area because it won't shrink properly. You'll heat crease it. We're getting a little bit stuck up here, so I'm going to pull out the hard card. It's the humidity. That's why you gotta leave extra material on the top when you're shrinking chameleon. So lesson learned there, I gotta go into super speed mode. Now I have this extra material on the top that I can kind of hold onto and direct the shrinking direction of the film so that it doesn't stick to the glass as well.
Tint car. Yes.
All right. Proper pressure is very important. I got a little tiny crease on the bottom here, so I'm gonna shift this whole pattern down about 1/2 inch, and then I'm gonna mount it and cut it. I definitely disappointed myself with this one. Messing up that first shrink. Teamwork makes the dream work, for sure. Put that down. Wire. Sorry. As Dean Mitchell would say. Sorry. All lined up. No gaps. Cue the elevator music. Let's see. It's all in the forearm. It's all in that one good, like, solid slide. Because if you get in there a little bit and then try to push it, it's got to have momentum to it.
The tint goes on the outside. No. Yes. No. Yes. Just give me the keys. The tint goes on the out. No.
Looks like you're about to take a bubble bath over there with how much soap you got, bro. Marco just texted me, he's like, I'm with one of your YouTube fans. And you can pull into Volkswagen, and I'll pull in behind you with the Tessie. Ooh, we got the elbow action in there too.
Hey, what's up, brother? I'm with one of your fans here in Orlando, Florida, and your name came up, and I was like, yeah, I know Sean. She's like, you know Coffee?
Coffee.
I was like, yes. I was like, oh, wow, he's so famous. So if you can you send me an audio message just saying, hey, Kat, thanks for being a fan. Working hard, learning window tint this week. Thanks, buddy. Bye.
Bye.
Prevent your extended warranty from expiring.
What's poppin'? These panels are popping. Three types of viewers. The ones that own businesses, right? The ones that want to become window tinters or own a business, and the consumer. Consumers do not like to see me do this, but this is the realistic thing that happens behind the doors in most tint shops. The to-be window tinters are terrified of this, so they make fun of me for doing it. And then the professional window tinters, the old school ones make fun of me. The new ones are like, damn, I wish I knew that right away. Like Jose, he's a panel popping animal now. I even turned Marco into a panel popper. Well, he's always been a panel popper, right? But on the Teslas, I turned him into a panel popper. Don't hate something unless you try it. It's the moral of the story. Let's see if we got any leads up here. All right, check this out. So Carlos from Texas Hitmaster. Not to talk negatively on him anymore, but he did a video on how fast can you send a proposal to a customer in TintWiz when you get a lead. So this is a lead right here of a 2020 Subaru Impreza WRX. They want taillight tinting and wheel repair, and they want to do whatever they're specifying the percentages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them a proposal that's pre-made, a canned proposal with the services already in it of all the types of film that we carry, taillight tinting, and wheel repair / powder coating as an option. Let's see how fast I can do that. Just to kind of put Carlos in the spot about how slow he is with that. Stopwatch, we'll put this right here, got a Tin'er sign. I'm not gonna do anything yet. I have the lead open. I'll press start. I'm gonna add a project with that lead, automotive, year, make, model already pre-filled. I'm gonna go down to proposals. I'm gonna go to sedan, good, better, best with the strip. And I also want to add in taillight tinting and powder coating. So taillights, powder, manage proposal. Now they're adding on extra services here, so I just add those in, allow select together. Taillight tinting, allow select together, save, send it, done. 42 seconds. That's with adding 2 services to the pre-made proposal. Now they have the proposal with the prices for all the types of film, a windshield strip as an add-on, rim repair, and taillight tinting. Voila. Look who it is. More time portal juice. Slippery. Is that even happening anymore in this season? It hasn't done it yet. All right, so I'll just cut the back window by itself. So guys, check out this organization I have going on over here. So I have the racks, the vinyl racks on the wall for the majority of what I use every day. And then I have these floor racks that hold 16 rolls of 3-inch core material. And then I have them all labeled with these plexiglass label things with the paper in them. So I can just look over and see exactly what I need. It's absolutely awesome. I will put the link in the description. It's not an affiliate or anything, but if you have a shop and you're not gonna wall mount, this is awesome to store your big rolls if you don't want to keep them in boxes. It's getting hot in here, so tint all your windows. Very nice. So a little pro tip, when you're cutting a 60-inch roll and you're cutting a long pattern, you want to pull the length that you're gonna have to cut before you cut it, so that way there's no tension on the blade when it's pulling from the roll while it's cutting. So we need 50 inches. We got 56 there. And then cut. And now it's cutting freely with no tension in the center. I'm gonna leave that excess material still on there while I shrink, and Superman. Not a bad idea. What do you guys think about a Window Tint Warriors fan party in Manhattan, NYC, coming soon? Let me know in the description. I'll plan something. That'll be pretty cool. Little bonus, I'll invite all the other best window tinters out there. Big tension area here. I mean, I know I'm fast, but this back window really makes me feel like I'm slow. Much better with that liner still on, way better. You know how it usually burns when I'm doing it? It doesn't burn because it's not exposed. All right, so Marco from Expel just texted me and said he's training a student. Her name is Kat, and she said that she knows me from YouTube and watches all my video as the coffee guy. So shout out to Kat. I just wanted to shout you out in relation to Marco. I hope you learn a lot from him because there's a lot to learn. Marco has a lot to teach, and just keep grinding every day and you're gonna succeed. Back to work. I think I took Carlos's heat gun. It barely works, kind of like him. Not a crease yet. Not a crease yet. Seems like the most tension is like right here. Just gotta make sure my next appointment is dropping off. I'm receptionist and Sean at the same time. It's a logistical nightmare over here because my receptionist just kind of boop and walked away for no reason. So here's a little thing. If you guys know someone in New York, Suffolk County, that wants an awesome job, working with some awesome people, working on cars, but we need a receptionist. I need someone to be a receptionist / sales. They'll get paid commission bonuses and a salary. You cannot beat it. It is the most chill work environment. So if you know somebody, refer them. Tell them to email me at info@shinetechny.com. That's SHINETEKNY.com. Please, I can't find anyone that wants a job. Oh yeah. Get out of my face, bro. Follow me around. Remember guys, if you want to learn window tinting, windowtintwarriors.com. We have that automotive window tinting course available. It's still 50% off because we're still working on some final videos. And then from there on out, continuously new content added bi-weekly, at least one video every other week. If not, more than that, change your life, learn a new trade, perfect a new trade, start a business, grow that business, feed your family, and live a damn good life. Unless you overload yourself with work and babysitting. So we first roll that up and then we can spray squeegee spray. We got all the panels back on. All we gotta do is slap this back window on and we're on to the next Tesla. But before I do the next Tesla, I gotta do the chameleon windshield on that Volkswagen. Too much Chipotle, huh? Spray, squeegee spray. It happens every time. Maybe that's why I teleported last time. All right guys, that is it for the day in the life. Matter of fact, it's actually 3 days after we recorded that day in the life video. We got so busy, the air conditioner stopped working. I got this full car to fully wrap in hot pink, and it's just crazy over here. Right, Jose? Oh yeah. It's crazy. We're trying to get jobs done, trying to keep customers happy. Thank you guys for watching that whole day in the life video. Hopefully you got some laughs and education out of it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.